everyone. In today's class, we are going to learn about common factors. See, in previous classes, we have learned what do you mean by factors. Now, let us see how to find common factors. For example, common factors of 15 and 24. So, first you have to find factors of 15. 1 15s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 15 1s are 15. Next, factors of 24. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. So now in these, what are the common numbers you have to take? See, 1 is common, then 3 is common. So common factors of 15 and 24 is 1 and 3. So in this way, we will find common factors. So next, see, let us see the exercise sums. Exercise 5.5. So find the common factors of the given numbers. So first one is 10 and 15. Factors of 10. So 1 10s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 10 1s are 10. Next, factors of 15. 1 15s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 15 1s are 15. So these are the factors of 10 and 15. So now in this, which are the common? 1 is common and 5 is common. So common factors of 10 and 15 is 1 and 5. Let us see next one, 12 and 20. Factors of 12. 1 12s are 12. Next, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12. Next, same way, factors of 20. 1 20s are 20, 2 10s are 20, 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 10 2s are 20, 20 1s are 20. So now in these common factors are 12 and 20. So 1 is common, 2 is common, 4 is common. So 1, 2, 4, these are the common factors. Next is it 13 and 15. Factors of 13. So here this is a prime number. So 1 and 13 only you will get. Next, factors of 15. 1, 3, 5, 15. So in this common factors of 13 and 5, 15, we will get only 1. So this you can say co-prime. So later I will explain you about that. 16 and 28. Factors of 16 equals to 1 16s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 8 2s are 16, 16 1s are 16. Next, factors of 28. 1 28s are 28, then 2 14s are 28. Next, 4 7s are 28, 7 4s are 28, 14 2s are 28, 28 1s are 28. So in this common factors of 1 16 and 28, 1 is common, 2 is common, and 4 is common. So this way we will find the common factors. Now let us see co-prime. What do you mean by co-prime? When two numbers have no common factors other than 1. So in other words, there is no whole number that you could give them both by exactly without any remainder. So that means, so before we have seen for 13 and 15, so we got factor as only 1. So like that, for the two numbers where we got the factor as only 1, so such numbers are called, such pairs are called co-prime. See here, example, common factors are 15 and 16. So factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Factors of 16 is 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So now here in this, so you can see only 1 is a factor, common factor. So now like this common factor where you will get only 1. So such pairs are called co-primes. Let us see now in the exercise. B main, which pairs of the following numbers are co-prime? See here, 17 and 15. So this is co-prime. So that means for 17 and 15, you will get only as 1 as a factor. Next 10 and 16, so you will get 2 or more than that. So it is not a co-prime. 9 and 11, so this is also co-prime. So here also only 1 you will get as a common factor. Next 20, 24, this is not a co-prime. 18 and 12, this is also not a co-prime. 8 and 10, this is also not a co-prime. 31 and 62, this is also not a co-prime. 28 and 33, so this is a co-prime. So 20 and 21. So here if you take so first we have to write the factors like 20 and 21. So then where you will get common factor as a 1, then it will be a co-prime. 10 and 15, no. 10 and 11, co-prime. 10 and 25, no. This is not a co-prime. Next, highest common factor. So this is called HCF. So HCF, we can say highest common factors. The greatest number that is factor of 2 or more than numbers. When we find all the factors of 2 or more numbers and some factors are the same, then the largest of those common factors is greatest common factor, abbreviated GCF. So that means this one you can call as greatest common factor also you can call. So also called highest common factor. So here nothing. So how we will find the factors for the, suppose if they give 2 or more than 2 numbers. So how do we find the factors? Same way you have to find, and in that common factors also, in before we have seen common factors you have find, in that which will be the largest number or greatest number, so that will be the HCF of the numbers. See the example here, HCF of 8, 12 and 16. See here, first we have to write factors of 8. So 1, 2, 4, 8 you will get. Next factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 16, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now in these common factors you have to write 1, 2, 4. So these are the common factors of 8, 12 and 16. So now here HCF of 8, 12 and 16 is, so in this 1, 2, 4, in this which is the biggest number? So 4 is the biggest number. So we will write that. So that will be the HCF of the given numbers. So HCF in the sense highest number. So the common factors which will be the highest number, that will become HCF. So in this way we will find HCF. Next is find the HCF. So here 12 and 18. Factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Common factors of 12 and 18 are, see here now 1, 2, 3, 6. So now here 1, 2, 3, 6. In this which is the biggest number, highest number? 6. So HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. Same way next is 12 and 21. Factors of 12 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 21 is 1, 3, 7, 21. So in this common factors are 1 and 3 only. So now in this 3 is the greatest number. So HCF of 12 and 21 is 3. Next see here 3 numbers they have given 12, 32, 36. So factors of 12 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 32 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Next factors of 36 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. So now in this all these 3 you have to find common factors 1, 2 and 4. So now here 4 is the highest number. So HCF of 12, 32, 36 is 4. So next is here 14, 21, 22. So factors of 14 is, for 1 14s are 14, 2 7s are 14, 7 2s are 14, 14 1s are 14. Those factors of 21. 1 21s are 21, 3 7s are 21, 7 3s are 21, 21 1s are 21. Next factors of 28. 1 28s are 28. Next 2 14s are 28. Next 4 6 are 4 7s are 28, 7 4s are 28, 14 2s are 28, 21 28 1s are 28. So now in this common factors, if you take here, you will get only 1 and 7. So in this, which is the highest number? 7. So HCF of 14, 21, 28 is 7. So in this way, you will find HCF. So I hope you understood. In this now, we have learned how to find the common factors, then co-primes and HCF. So I hope you understood. Remaining will continue in next class. Thank you.